It's not, but I forced them to get ready this early. Oh, look at all of this. Take that down, it's not Halloween. Why is there a bat on the ceiling? Mika. Good morning, moon babies. Today we are making waffles, blueberry waffles. And I'm gonna make a matcha latte over here with some green tea packets and some almond milk because we have a long day ahead of us. We're gonna go to Panaʻewa Zoo for Liliana's 3rd birthday party. We're gonna head out to Target first because they had a lot of Christmas things there yesterday. I was not prepared. So I think today we're gonna do Target run, Lily's birthday, and I don't know what else. Gloomy today. Not really like the best day for really going out and going to the beach and stuff. So I don't know, we'll see. You know, if you actually know what this song means, it's crazy. Like, they talk about the shark man of Waipio, and now he has a shark as a hewaha. What is it? How he has a shark mouth. No, I need these. Ooh. I need these. I love Christmas. Do you guys remember when you make the chain like countdown and then you rip off the chain? You know, like you make the loops with the construction paper and then you rip off the chain every day that it gets closer to Christmas.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we should make those. Mika, you remember those? Oh. Okay, what? This is such a white people thing. Like, unscented vase filler. And I need like 2 of these because it's still November. Do-it-yourself snow globe. Banner for Lils. Oh, I love these. Lights. Socks and bells for Ke'ehi because she needs a little pick-me-up today. A little cucumber. Nail art stickers to put in Lils' bag. And this for the house. I don't think this is a thing. So this is not gonna work out. Thank God Joali is coming to the rescue to grab the cake and put it in Mika's car where there's also 10 pizzas. Happy birthday! It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Give me a hug. How old are you today?
2.
No, you're 3. You've been 3 for like 2 days. You happy? It's your birthday and all your aunties are here?
This is so
Yay!
People say because I'm madly, people say because in love, in love. People You, before, and arc. Yeah. Madly in love, in love. People say because I'm madly, madly, madly. People say be madly in love, in love. People say because I'm madly, madly, madly. People say be madly in love, in love. Baby, baby, baby.
So odds are you'll go running down this, skipping down this, singing "I'm on the yellow brick road."
253.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
150. What are the odds that you'll jump this and walk on this?
Oh, I'd say like 75. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I don't know.
Your number has to be between 1 and 75, and she said 400.
Oh, I see.
Now we know how to play at odds are. You know she's your best friend when she makes you a whole bag of cake to take home.
Oh yeah.
So I just put those lights up on the headboard, and I have, of course, the hipster palette lights, the picture lights, these. I don't know, I'm just like always been a light fairy, so I'm pretty much just waiting for it to get dark over here so I can see how those look. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I definitely am liking those lights over there. Ooh, we should have like a dream catcher day where we make dream catchers. I want to do that soon. Anyway, tonight we are on Kulu, the last of the 3 nights of full moon that we have in our anahulu ho'opoipoi. So Kulu is honestly really just like a full moon, like super high energy. It's just really interesting, you know, because right now after we got home from the party, both of my roommates are sleeping, and it's crazy because I swear in this house you can totally tell when it's a full moon. Like everybody's so agitated and drained and tired and just like busy. It's crazy. This house is just, the shift is so tangible, it's ridiculous. So tonight is Kulu. Tomorrow we're moving into the la'aus. Good for planting, good for starting long-term things, planting things that you need to grow nice and long. Not really good for fruitful things, but so Mika's up. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. If you're entering the giveaway, I can't put your name on the list unless you're already a subscriber or you're subscribed. So just to clarify the rules, I'm sorry, I know that was really confusing. I'm not the best at these kinds of things. So you have to post like a screenshot, a link, something, basically something somehow to let your followers know that MOONGIRLTINGZ is a thing. So like post like is a thing. So post like a screenshot, a little clip from your favorite video, the link, and make sure you hashtag it MOONGIRLTINGZ, and make sure you message me on whatever social media you're gonna post it on, because there's like no way, you guys aren't all public, the hashtag, I don't know, just message me so I can make sure to write your name down on the list. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. We talked about our moon phases. Oh, another thing I want to do with you guys is drunk history. So I don't know if you've watched Drunk History on the History Channel, but it's basically like a bunch of historians come together and they get drunk and they talk about and reenact what, you know, like their specific area of history. So I thought it'd be really fun. They did a Captain Cook one, but we can do better. So we're gonna work on drunk history. I want to talk to you guys more about chakra oils, which are kind of like a type of essential oils that you can use to really open up your chakras. Chakra work is something very important to me, something that really helped me. So I want to share that with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing with your friends. You guys are all awesome. We love seeing all of your comments.
Love. They're coming with me.
That's all I have for you guys today. So I'll see you guys next time.